Hello friends, my name is Atharvanikam and I am from 10th A. I am a candidate for the school leader election. As we all know that there needs to be a person who can perform the role of a messenger between the school management and the students. If chosen, I would be honored and overwhelmed to perform this duty of a school leader. My symbol is a pen. As we all know that pen is the tongue of mind. We have witnessed the power of pen in the past. Many great wars have been won with the power of pen, and we know what a pen can do in future. I am pretty sure, friends, that you will elect the best candidate among us as your next school leader. But in my opinion, I am the best candidate to be a school leader. But it's your opinion that matters me the most. If chosen, I would do my duty wholeheartedly and with perfection. It's my honor to be a school leader. I request you to perform your right of voting and give your mighty vote to Pen. Thank you.
A very good morning to one and all. Myself Saad Rehanur from Standard 10B is selected as a candidate for school leaders election. My symbol is pencil. We all started to learn and write from this pencil. It was the first step towards our brightened future. I would like to prove you my worth and usefulness just like this pencil. I will try my best to gain everyone's trust and support along the way. I have values, qualities, and knowledge that a good leader needs. My advantage is that I can handle situations and the work given to me in groups or either individually. I am very serious about teamwork. I respect and value everyone's opinion. I am a reliable person that everyone could trust and rely on. I have learned everything from my school and I never needed any external institutions to polish my skills or to depend on. I will become a connection between the school management and students. I will become a rope that ties everyone together. I would take matters and problems and turn them into favorable situations. I will support everyone, but just this once I need your love and support. Choose pencil and choose the right leader. Thanks a lot for this opportunity. I promised that I would become a role model that everyone could look up to. I will assure that the every work handed to me will be completed without any delay and will exceed your expectations. I will try my best that no one has any complaints regarding me or my work. These are my self-made rules and I would never turn my back on them. I'm a man of my word. Thank you very much. May the best man.
Friends, I am Arna Savarikar and I am nominated for the school leader election 2021-22. So I have been given 2 minutes to say why you should vote for me and make me the head boy. A poet named Henry David once said that I cannot make my days longer, but I can strive to make them better. With this head boy election here at school, we have an opportunity to make our days better. I think and I believe that our school is like a tree and we are all different parts of this tree. For example, our tree teachers are like the roots. They implement and nourish us with their knowledge and help us grow. If I was the head boy, I would like to become like the manure which the gardener spreads on the ground to enrich it, which used in a very little quantity gives a big difference. My symbol is scale and always vote for scale because scale always keeps you going in right way and right path. In addition to it, a scale also can help you and it leads you to achieve great success and heights in your life. I promise you that I will give my best performing all my duties solemnly with helping everyone.
Hello everyone, myself Khushali Singhala from 10th A. I am chosen as a candidate for the school leader. I stand before you to discuss the reason why I want to be a part of leadership team and hopefully become the school captain for this academic year. I think I am the suitable candidate. I promise to work hard and become an effective leader in which you can be proud of. I promise to obey all the rules and regulations of the school and uphold the school management and become the role model. My symbol is blackboard. As we all know, blackboard teaches us to learn everything and focus on the light, even it's too dark. Hoping for your votes. Thank you.
A very good morning to all my beloved people. I am Aksa Sheikh from Standard 10B, as you all know me. Glad that I am nominated for the position of the school leaders elections. We all know we use justice for erasing all our mistakes and start with a new beginning. I'll do the same. Let us erase all our mistakes and start with the new beginnings. So vote for me to begin with me. Thank you.
Hello, greetings to everyone. My name is Rabia Khan from class 10th C, and the reason I am standing today here is that I have been selected for an important position of school leader. I believe in the quote that those who are the most happiest are the ones who do the most for others. So, this is my last academic year in this incredible school, and considering the enormous amount of knowledge and values I have gained from the respected teachers of this heavenly place, I have strong wish to give back in return what I have gained from this love. I believe in myself that I can be a responsible and disciplined leader who will do her duties on time with absolute perfection. As the saying goes, true leaders don't create followers, they create more leaders. I believe in not just being a leader but inspiring others to be one themselves and moving together with unity. My symbol is a book. As a wise man once said, books help you to travel without moving your feet. I believe this is a very true saying. In the end, I would like to thank you all for taking your valuable time for listening to me, and would also like to assure that I will perform the best I can. Do not forget to vote for me and my symbol, which is a book. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Swarup Bharat Patil and I am studying in Standard 9th. I am very glad that I am selected for the position of Deputy Leader in the school. I will definitely make this opportunity worth it. So I need your vote and support for the welfare of our school and to make all the Carmelites feel proud of our school. Thank you.
Respected principal, beloved teachers, and all my dear friends, a warm good afternoon to one and all. Myself, Umar Farooq Umar Adhikari from Standard 9th B. I am glad to stand here as a deputy leader in our elections. First of all, talking about what do you mean by the leadership and a deputy leadership means. It is an opportunity to serve. It is this vision I aspire to be your deputy leader. If selected, I would love to lead by example in all co-curricular activities and academic pursuit too. The focus of my talk is about 3R: reach, respect, and relationship. First of all, talking about the reach. My first priority will be to create opportunity for everyone to display their talent with the help, with the guidance of and encouragement of our teachers. Secondly, respect. Respect for others should be understood and appreciated in our school. I would love to create an atmosphere of respect in our school. Thirdly, relationship. My priority will be to create healthy relationship in school, thus paving the foundation of friendship that will last lifetime. So I seek your cooperation, for nothing can be done by a lone leader and a deputy leader. A leader is one who had a leader is one who has a vision and ability to share it. This I have done with my heart. Now it's your turn to respond this vision. Thank you.
Hi, I, Master Kavya Mahesh Pingale from 9C, would like to say thanks to the principal for giving us the opportunity to become the deputy school leader and the teachers for selecting me as deputy school leader. I assure that I will perform my duty sincerely and I will not give any chance of complaint. I will always work for the betterment of school. I will try my level best to include discipline in every student. I will follow the rules and regulations given by the schools, teachers and principal because all these are made for the betterment of children. I will see that all my school friends would follow it. if any of my school friends have any problem, I will try to approach the teachers and principal and solve the problem with mutual understanding and with the rules and regulation of the school. I request all the teachers to bless me and guide me so I can do my duty sincerely. Once again, thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Good morning. I am Rishita Harish Shetty from Standard 9th A. As you all know, I am contesting for the leader. And today, I would like to share some opinion of what will I do when I become a leader. If I become a leader, I would like to work effectively and support every person at the school. I would be passionate with what will I do. I would give both a short-term vision to meet immediate needs and a long-term vision to meet future needs. I would like to put others first and make a humble decision that may not necessarily benefit me, but will be the best decision for the majority. I would like to help the school when they are in need. I will try my best to encourage teachers and be positive with my work. If you all vote for me, I will try my best to be a great role model and a leader for you all. Thank you.
Leader is not someone who only leads everyone, but is someone who takes everyone on the path of development along with solving their problems in an effective manner. Hello friends, I am Nirmay Vijayanan Chitragar from 9th B. I have been nominated for the Deputy Leader elections. By the Almighty's grace, our parents' blessings and our teachers' blessings and best wishes, we already are a part of our loving school, Carmel Convent School. Let us make the most of this solid foundation of our life. I will try my best to excel in all the work and responsibilities assigned to me. By becoming a deputy leader will be an added experience and an opportunity to serve with love, which is the motto of our school, love and service. If you elect me, I will assist you, support you and mediate between you and teachers. This will make our schooling more fruitful, more enjoyable and more memorable. So friends, elect me with your valuable votes. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself, Hindavin Nalin Shah, is selected from Standard 9C for the election of Deputy Leadership for academic year 2021 and 2022. I am the simple living girl who loves to grab the opportunity that has given to me. I will make sure that all of us follow the rules given by the school and be in discipline all the time. As corona pandemic is going on, our online class are there. So we have to take in consideration that our teachers' efforts resulting in flying colors with our honesty. I pledge to show my respect by listening to others, using my hand for helping, caring about rules and regulations, and be responsible for what I say and I do. I will follow the directions of my teacher and respected Principal Sister Leonie. I promise that I always be enthusiastic in all the activities I undertake. I promise that I will create team spirit within my school. I promise that I will try my very best towards my school and in my school. Thank you.